Did my front shocks on the Hiace last night. Check it out. Here's how I did it. Thinking about swapping out your 35, 40-year-old shocks from your Hiace? Here's how you do it. First, if you have Thames, take that off. All you have to do is unclip from behind the shield and then unscrew 10 mil. And then back out the lower nut. And back the top one off. Next, using the old Yoda jack that came with it, using it at the correct jacking points, lift it up. Now leverage this down and pop it out. And while it's decompressed, pull out the bottom nut and bolt and then wiggle it out. Knock around all the sand. And that's your shock out without even taking your tire off. New shock versus old shock. Let's see if it slides right in. I have a feeling this might be too tight. We'll see. All right, so these do just slip right in, no grinding required. Bottom's going in. Now I'm going to pop the bolt through there, compress, and slide it into its slot. So for me to get this nut on, I found the easiest way was taking some of the pressure off, sliding my red Robbie through it, and then pushing the red Robbie back out with the nut and bolt. And snug it up. Moving on to the top, bushings, reuse the old for the top, we're using the old for the bottom, and then new on the top. Now I'm going to snug that up, and that's it. New shocks in. New shocks installed on the front. Now I got to try and find some rears to put on. Ba-boom.